in the Federal Capital Territory election and for related matters, HB 2479.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
You may
Mr.
now
Chairman.
have your seat. Yes. Honorable colleagues, the bill to be considered today has 156 clauses, and we are going to vote on them for them to become the parts of this legislation that governs our election in Nigeria. So I'll just put the question, having gone through it with you time and again. I'll put the question, clause 1 to 10. Clause 11 to 20. No. Clause 21 to 30.
Yari, point of order. Point of order.
Point of order. Point of order. Point of order. Point of order.
30 to 40.
Point of order. Mr. Chairman, you are not reading. We want to know. Point of order. Point of order, Mr. Chairman. You are not reading. Point of order. Point of order.
Yes. Point of order. Point of order.
Yes. No.
Clause 40
No.
to 50.
You're supposed to read it line by line, line by line. Point of order.
Clause 50
Point
to
of order.
60.
Point of order.
Speaker, point of order. Point of order.
In that clause 60,
Speaker, point of order.
clause 61,
Point of order.
Mr. Chairman.
Clause 62.
You need to read line by line, close by close.
Clause 63.
Point of order.
Point of order.
Clause 63. Point of order, Mr. Chairman. You're supposed to read line by line.
Clause 64. Point of
No.
Speaker, point of order.
Clause 65. No. Point of order, Mr. Chairman. You're supposed to read line by line. Point of order.
Clause
We don't have the document, and you're supposed to read line by line.
Clause 66.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman. Point of order. Point of order. No.
What did I say? What did I say last?
Line by line.
Is what? Honorable colleagues. Chairman, point of order. Chairman, point
No.
Honorable
You're supposed to read line by line.
Clause 761.
Mr. Chairman. No.
Clause 62. But that's what we're doing. You're not listening. But that's where I am. Go and sit down, please. Clause 62.
Point of order, Mr. Chairman. You're supposed to read line by line. No.
Clause 63.